both emotionally and something physically.
Environments where we can meet other friends and replace the old ones is a very important part of what we're looking at in the future as people live longer. And so creating those environments where they can come meet and experience this is very important.
Occur naturally as we age. We all have a role to play in ensuring that no one lives alone or faces loneliness without support. Community is the antidote to social isolation, and we all benefit from a community where everyone at every age is included and valued. For more information and to see all of Nashville Public Television's Aging Matters series, visit our website at wnpt.org/Aging Matters. Thanks for watching.
Major funding for Aging Matters is provided by the West End Home Foundation, enriching the lives of older adults through grant making, advocacy, and community collaboration. The HCA Foundation, on behalf of TriStar Health. The Jeanette Trappist Foundation, dedicated to improving the health and well-being of the Middle Tennessee community, and Cigna Health Spring. Additional funding provided by Jackson National Life Insurance Company and by the Community Foundation of Middle Tennessee.
Families with teens, watch the premiere of Welcome to the Unaltered State, April 22nd at 8 p.m. on Idaho Public Television. Have dinner, watch the at-home premiere, and use our unaltered discussion guide to talk with your child about the dangers of substance use.
Kids are our best investment.
We're empowering kids by having those kids be part of these conversations.
It's a message of love and hope to help Idaho youth live substance-free lives. Learn more at theunalteredstate.org.
On Ask This Old House, we help homeowners across the country tackle small projects that deliver a big impact. Here goes. Real problems, real solutions. Join us for a brand new season of Ask This Old House.
See it Sunday afternoon on Idaho Public Television.
Ready? Okay, go. It's another season of Sarah's Weeknight Meals. And boy, do I have some tasty food for you. I'm a happy camper. Oh, my whole family is jealous right now. Plus, answers to your culinary questions. When it cooks, it all comes back together. And my best cooking buddies. Oh, I'm so excited. Join us on Sarah's Weeknight Meals.
See it Saturday morning on Idaho Public Television.
I am haunted by my own existence. I am a human being. But in the great scheme of things, in the vast cosmos, what are human beings? Perhaps accidental and incidental, without point or purpose. Perhaps goal-directed and central, with a cosmic point or purpose. If incidental, can we make our own point? If central, can we align with the cosmic point? While it is